Setting goals, having a vision, creating a vision board, writing everything down. Yes, I know we hear all these things all the time, but as individuals, do we really take the time to set our goals and plan for our future? Hey guys, it's Jay, your experiential marketing coach, and we're going to be talking about the importance of planning for your future as an individual, just aside from working in the experiential marketing industry. And I want to go ahead and dive deeper to this subject because aside from just working as a EXP, you got to make sure as an individual you are, achieving any and all your goals, and that you're taking care of your health, and that you are just living the life that you want to live. So let's go ahead and jump right into it with my first tip for goal setting and planning. You got to make it clear, whether that's writing down your goals on a sheet of paper and putting it somewhere where you can visualize it and see it every day, or my favorite, booyah, creating a vision board. Every year I have an annual vision board party. So I got everything on here from taking vacations, which I haven't done yet. I still got some time left in this year to do that. To eating healthy, which I've changed my diet, to spiritually reconnecting, to just dreaming and making sure that I follow my purpose and the things that I want to achieve in 2019. Taking the time to make your goals clear, whether that's visually with the vision board or writing them down and putting them in a place where you can see them every day. Your phone is a great place, your bathroom mirror, somewhere in your bedroom, an area where you're going to walk by on a daily basis is important. Be the brain memory and build that consistent repetition for you so that you're able to see that goal every day or those goals, and you're able to visualize them. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. My next tip, create some goals and visions which are attainable. Oftentimes you see people with these elaborate vision boards with these lengthy goals, and while it's great to have them, you got to be realistic about your situation and your ability to achieve them. A rule of thumb that I have, set goals for 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, and for the rest of the year. That way you're not getting overwhelmed by having all of these goals. And if you're unable to meet them, you don't get discouraged. So have, as I like to say, little markers or constant goals or small goals that you can achieve throughout the year that'll build your confidence and allow you to continue to pursue the bigger goals that you may have, whether that's on your vision board or the goals that you have written down for yourself. I like to write down my top 3 goals for that year and focus on creating a vision board, which is a representation of those top 3 goals, for the upcoming year. I'm not telling you not to reach for the stars, because you should. When you're setting goals, definitely create those big goals, but also have some small goals, have some small benchmarks that you can put in there as well that'll assist you in making sure that you build the confidence to go ahead and work towards achieving those bigger goals. Next tip I have for you, you got to make sure that you hold yourself accountable and you have people around you that will be willing to do so. As the saying goes, you are only as good as the people around you. So having individuals that foster not only positive energy, but foster, the ability for you to achieve your goals, that have the mentality that are working towards the same goals or the same aspirations that you have, is critical. Oftentimes we just have friends and we have people that may not have our best interests. And, by having relationships with those people, not only will it deter you from achieving your goals, but it can hamper you from getting further, in life and achieving the things that you desire to accomplish. And reward yourself. Don't beat yourself up. If you're unable to meet a goal that you set, don't get discouraged. Continue to work towards your other goals. And it may not be time. Oftentimes it's timing and it's being aligned with the right people spiritually or just within your environment, that will allow you the ability to go ahead and achieve that goal. Patience is key. And next, also set up constant reminders for yourself when you are goal planning or you're setting goals. Having community support, while it may seem small, to have that in place, believe me, having those people around, especially if you are a people person, will help to build that overall confidence and allow you to have the support that you need to follow through with your goals. As an individual, you have to take the time, you have to work, spiritually, emotionally, physically. I'm working on all this now, so I can attest to it. You have to find those different ways to motivate yourself, because at the end of the day, you were brought into this world by yourself and you're going to leave this world by yourself. So definitely, guys, it's a work in progress. It doesn't happen overnight, but I'm here to tell you, if you set your goals, if you write things down, if you consistently, visualize them, if you take time to meditate, if you take time to surround yourself with like-minded people, you'll be surprised at what you can achieve when you set your mind to it and you visualize it. So if you guys haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button to receive, alerts on this as well as future videos. Give me a thumbs up and let me know, how do you goal plan for the next year or every month? What are some things that you've been able to implement to hold yourself accountable in achieving your goals? How do your vision boards look? Have you ever created a vision board? And I also want to hear from you and know, how are you able to just meet your level of success while also making sure that you're able to achieve your goals every year. I'm also creating you guys a free checklist to guide you on how to create your goals or how to create your vision board for the next year or for the upcoming months, whatever, works for you. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching this video. As always, you are a brand within a brand. Represent yourself accordingly. But I want to leave you with one key thing. Always pursue your goals, find your level of happiness, and don't try to run everybody else's race. Run your own race, and I promise you, things will fall into place. Life will take care of itself for you. So enjoy the rest of your day, be safe, and I'll holler at you guys later.